I think something fishy's going on here. Well, we're just going to cook something anyway, just for the halibut. Okay, I know, dad joke. We have some thawed halibut. We've got a heated griddle. Let's get cooking. Fish comes out so good on the Blackstone. So this is avocado oil. Just try to wipe it on here before it runs out the back. It's trying to, but don't let it. I have a fish spatula I've never used, so I should at least use it once, right? This is on low, but the sun just went down. It's pretty hot up here in the mountains. Add a little bit more Earl on top. And this is my proprietary salt, pepper, garlic, Mrs. Gash, paprika, whatever blend. It's all granulated sea salt, or coarse ground sea salt, coarse ground black pepper, granulated garlic. But that's not the star. I just wanted the salt, basically. This is the star. I have been using orange peel, but I really like the taste of this Cuban style citrusy garlic blend from Trader Joe's. It's good. That's cooking pretty fast. I was gonna put that on, steam it a little. Usually when I steam, I add a little water. This has plenty of the avocado oil, so I don't think it'll need any extra moisture. Plus it's thawed, so there's probably water from the freezing process after it thawed. Yeah, it may have been a little early to flip, but ooh, close enough. Once again, salt, pepper, garlic, just a little. The salt really brings out moisture to the exterior. And plenty of the citrusy garlic. I grew up in South Florida part of the time, and I love Cuban food. The rest of the time I was in Indiana, farm country, so I've got a mix of all these different foods and ideas, and I have no idea what to do with them because I can't cook. You know that. I make it up as I go along. But anyway, we're going to keep a close eye on this. Don't want to undercook it, don't want to burn it, but I try and get it just right. And I'll bring you back when the next disaster happens. Okay, it's been a few minutes. You hear screaming in the background. That's our community peacock flock. I think I like the pinchers better, but it's starting to look fishy. There. Got our handy meat thermometer because I don't want to poison anybody. Again, ever. So it's looking good. It's starting to look a little flaky in places. Maybe just a curl. Speed up the steam, and we'll be back. Okay, I'm moving you a little closer because the air conditioners are kicking on and I want you to hear me. So we want 145. That one might be done. This one might be done. Give it another flip here. Ooh. It broke me. Oh, smells so good between the fish itself and the seasonings. Add just a little more because I like it. So we're, according to the thermometer, we're done. And push down, doesn't give any. Firm. A little bit more on that side, but yeah, we're done. I think we should go get maybe some mac and cheese or something. What do you say? Huh? That's right. So, stream close up, stream close up, stream close up. Woo, woo, woo. Halibut. It's not just for breakfast anymore. And so as you can see, oh, look at the sun. It's pretty easy to do fish, just like many other things. And oh, maybe rice, mac and cheese, whatever. We'll see. Anyway, that's what we got for today, y'all. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, thanks for following, thanks for sharing. Most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!